Hello everyone. Today we are going to study human physiology. Introduction to human physiology. Question 1. What is homeostasis in human physiology? Answer. Homeostasis is the ability of the body to maintain a stable internal environment despite changes in external conditions. Question 2. Which part of the brain primarily regulates homeostasis? Answer. The hypothalamus regulates homeostasis. Digestive system. Question 3. What are the main components of gastric juice? Answer. Hydrochloric acid, HCl, pepsinogen, mucus, and intrinsic factor. Question 4. What is the primary function of small intestine? Answer. Absorption of nutrients from digested food. Question 5. What is peristalsis? Answer. Peristalsis is the involuntary wave-like muscle contractions that move food through the digestive tract. Circulatory system. Question 6. What is the difference between systolic and diastolic blood pressure? Answer. Systolic blood pressure is the pressure during heart contraction while diastolic blood pressure is the pressure during heart relaxation. Question 7. What is the role of hemoglobin in the circulatory system? Answer. Hemoglobin binds oxygen in the lungs and carries it to tissues and also carries carbon dioxide from tissue back to the lungs. Question 8. What is the function of sinoatrial SA node? Answer. The SA node acts as the pacemaker of the heart, initiating electrical impulses for heart contractions. Question 9. What is the primary function of platelets in the blood? Answer. Platelets are responsible for blood clotting to prevent excessive bleeding after injury. Respiratory system. Question 10. What is the primary function of alveoli? Answer. The alveoli are the site of gas exchange where oxygen is absorbed into the blood and carbon dioxide is expelled. Question 11. What is tidal volume? Answer. Tidal volume is the amount of air inhaled or exhaled during a normal breath. Question 12. How is most carbon dioxide transported in the blood? Answer. Most carbon dioxide is transported as bicarbonated ions in the plasma. Excretory system. Question 13. What is the functional unit of kidney? Answer. The nephron. Question 14. What role does antidiuretic hormone called ADH play in kidney function? Answer. ADH regulates water retention by increasing water reabsorption in the kidneys. Question number 15. What is the significance of the glomerular filtration rate? GFR. Answer. GFR measures how well the kidneys are filtering blood and is an indicator of kidney function. Nervous system. Question 16. What is the difference between afferent and efferent neurons? Answer. Afferent neurons carry sensory information to the central nervous system, while efferent neurons carry motor commands away from the CNS. Question 17. What is the role of the myelin sheath? Answer. The myelin sheath insulates axons and increases the speed of nerve impulse conduction. Question 18. What is a synapse? Answer. A synapse is a junction between two neurons where neurotransmitters are released to transmit signals. Muscular system. Question 19. What is the sliding filament theory of muscle contraction? Answer. The sliding filament theory states that muscle contraction occurs when myosin filaments slide over actin filaments, shortening the muscle fiber. Question 20. What are the three types of muscle tissue? Answer. Skeletal, smooth, and cardiac muscles. Question 21. What is the role of calcium in muscle contraction? Calcium binds to troponin causing a conformational change that allows myosin to bind to actin, leading to contraction. Endocrine system. Question 22. What is the function of thyroid gland? Answer. The thyroid gland produces hormones like thyroxine T4 and triiodothyronine T3 that regulate metabolism, growth, and development. Question 23. How does insulin regulate blood glucose levels? Answer. Insulin promotes the uptake of glucose by cells, lowering blood glucose level. Question 24. What is the role of the adrenal glands in the stress response? Answer. The adrenal glands release cortisol and adrenaline, which help the body respond to stress by increasing blood sugar and heart rate. Reproductive system. Reproductive system. Question 25. What is the function of the testes? Answer. The testes produce sperm and testosterone. Question 26. What hormone triggers ovulation? Answer. Luteinizing hormone LH triggers ovulation. 27. What is the function of the placenta during pregnancy? Answer. The placenta provides oxygen and nutrients to the fetus, removes waste products, and produces hormones to support pregnancy. Immune system. Question 28. What are the two types of immunity? Answer. Innate, non-specific immunity and adaptive, specific immunity. Question 29. What is the function of T lymphocytes in the immune system? Answer. T lymphocytes help identify and destroy infected cells and play a key role in cell mediated immunity. Question 30. How do antibodies neutralize pathogens? Answer. Antibodies bind to pathogens, neutralizing them by preventing their entry into cells or marking them for destruction by immune cells. Skeletal system. Question 31. What are the main types of bones in the human skeleton? Answer. Long bones, short bones, flat bones, and irregular bones. Question 32. What is the role of osteoclast and osteoblast in bone remodeling? Answer. Osteoclast break down old bone tissue, while osteoblast build new bone tissue. Question 33. What is the primary mineral stored in bones? Answer. Calcium. Integumentary system. Question 34. What are the three layers of the skin? Answer. The epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. Subcutaneous layer. Question 35. What is the function of melanin in the skin? Melanin protects the skin from UV radiation and gives skin its color. Sensory system. Question 36. What is the role of rods and cones in the retina? Answer. Rods and sorry rods are responsible for vision in low light, while cones are responsible for color vision and sharp visual detail. Question 37. What is the function of cochlea in ear? Answer. The cochlea converts sound vibration into neural signals that are interpreted by the brain as sound. Question 38. What is proprioception? Answer. Proprioception is the sense of relative position of one's own body parts and the strength of effort being employed in movement. Lymphatic system. Question 39. What is the primary function of lymph nodes? Answer. Lymph nodes filter lymph and house immune cells that help in defending against pathogens. Question 40. What is lymph? Answer. Lymph is a clear fluid that circulates in the lymphatic system containing white blood cells and helping to remove waste from tissues. Here are some long questions. Question 41. Explain the process of synaptic transmission in the nervous system. Answer. Synaptic transmission involves the transfer of an electrical signal from one neuron to another through a synapse. When an axon potential reaches the presynaptic terminal, it triggers the release of neurotransmitters into the synaptic cleft. These neurotransmitters bind to receptors on the postsynaptic membrane, causing ion channels to open. This generates a postsynaptic potential which may initiate an axon potential in the next neuron. Question 42. Describe the structure and function of hemoglobin. Answer. Hemoglobin is a protein found in red blood cells composed of four polypeptide chains, each with a heme group that contains an iron atom. This structure allows hemoglobin to bind to oxygen molecules in the lungs and transport them to tissues. Hemoglobin also carries carbon dioxide from tissues back to the lungs for exhalation. Question 43. How does the counter current mechanism function in nephron? Answer. The counter current mechanism in the nephron involves the interaction between the loop of Henle and the surrounding blood vessels, called vasa recta. It creates a concentration gradient in the kidney medulla, allowing the nephron to reabsorb water and concentrate urine. The descending limb of the loop of Henle is permeable to water but not to solutes, while the ascending limb is permeable to solutes but not to water, leading to the concentration gradient essential for water reabsorption. Question 44. Discuss the role of pancreas in both endocrine and exocrine function. Answer. The pancreas has both endocrine and exocrine functions. As an endocrine gland, it secretes insulin and glucagon into the bloodstream to regulate blood glucose levels. As an exocrine gland, it produces digestive enzymes like amylase, lipase, and trypsin, and bicarbonate, which are secreted into the small intestine to aid in the digestion of food. Last question. Explain the process of gas exchange in the alveoli of the lungs. Answer. Gas exchange in the alveoli occurs through diffusion. Oxygen from the inhaled air diffuses across the alveolar membrane into the surrounding capillaries, where it binds to hemoglobin in red blood cells. Simultaneously, carbon dioxide from the blood diffuses from the capillaries into the alveoli to be exhaled. This process is driven by the concentration gradient of oxygen and carbon dioxide.